My friends, welcome to exercise 91 of my 200 3D CAD problems. Now this is an interesting one, so let's jump right into it. I want to calibrate this 60 millimeter length, and then let's take a look at the image. We have one level, two levels of working here. So two sketches. I want to move the image at the center of this center hole, and that way I can take the advantage of the symmetry that this object presents. Now I can draw only the half of it, and then so I decided I'll be staying in part workbench and then start sketching on XY plane. On this one I want to sketch the half of it, the entire thing, the second level, the lower level. I want to sketch the whole thing and name that as a master sketch and then work it from there. So I drew the sketch. Let's go ahead and then do some constraints. So we have 18 degrees of freedom and most of them are radiuses and diameters. So this is 21.3 and this would be 15.7. So this is 40 and this is 50. Okay, and this inside is diameter 11.7, so the dimension is going back and forth between diameter and radius. Sometimes I hate that. This is diameter 10, right? We don't know what this is. This is 13.8 diameter. Okay, how about this one? This is radius 10, so diameter 20. I think we took care of everything. So this is 10 diameter. Yes, radius 5. So all the circular parts have been taken care of. Let's go ahead and then work on the lengths. So this point is 7.5 millimeter away vertically, and horizontally this is 7 millimeter away. The entire length between this point and this point is 30, right? And then what do we have? We have 5 degrees of freedom. So this thickness, it's coming from this differences of these radiuses. And how about this length? So this point and this point will be at the same horizontal plane. Okay, and this length is 17. Okay, we got that. Okay, how about this length between these 2 points? That's 15. Okay, and what else do we have? So this would be tangential, I believe. This point and this point will be tangential. When we have 1 degrees of freedom left, and that is, I suppose, the overall height between this point, actually the height of the center between this point, this is 40. There, so we got a fully constrained full sketch, and as I said, this will be our master sketch. On this one what I want to do is I want to do the both things of this same plane. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy that and paste it 2 times and hide this one, hide this one. This one I'm gonna say sketch upper part, and second one I'm gonna say sketch lower part. And then let's work on this. So I want to keep this part. I will make them construction geometry. Probably I want to hide this image right now. I know this one probably not construction, but obviously this will be construction geometry. And let's see how does it look. It looks pretty good to me. Now looks like we can, nope, there is this tiny thing here. It will be construction as well. So all the construction geometries will not show up when I extrude that to 10 millimeter. So I want to extrude that to 10 millimeter, and the construction geometries that was in the sketch, they are not showing up in here. So we got the upper part completed. Now let's work on the lower part. On here I probably have to hide this upper part. So whatever the upper part was, we will have to make that construction geometry, and then see where it leads us. Maybe this part will be, so because I will be doing these construction geometries separately, so what I did was I did draw them as two separate lines. It's not a straight line, so that was one trick I applied when the lower part, that's the lower part, and I want to extrude that for 5 millimeter. Okay, the lower part will be extruded for 5 millimeter. Now let's go ahead and bring these two parts down. Okay, does it look like our image? It does not. We are missing this part. So what I have to do is I'll have to go in there. Maybe hide this one for now. Make these two solid geometry as opposed to construction geometry. Okay, so we got that one now. Now how about this one? So the gap will be empty. So we'll have to do some work on this one as well. So on this one, we'll probably, let's hide this part. On this one, we will have to make this one construction. Now, so we have this as a whole, and bring the upper part back. So we have two parts at the same time of our master sketch. I did not have to draw them twice. I like this idea, like reusing the same sketch twice to have our object built. Now let's put this together as a union. So that is our half object. And then I want to mirror that half object against this plane, which is YZ. So it would be YZ plane. And I want to mirror that to other side. And then I want to marry these together as a union. And that is our full object. All right. That was easy. Only drawing the full thing half time, and that will give our object. I hope you liked this process. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.